Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this particular video I'll be talking about Power BI. Now this video is for you whether you are just venturing into data analytics or you are a beginner or probably you're an intermediate data analyst, and you definitely use Power BI, definitely. So in my channel, on this channel, I talk about things relating to data analytics and also computer programming. So you just have to stay tuned for more videos like this. So like I said, in this video, I'll be talking about Power BI. Specifically, there is this common issue that you might have faced, a lot of people faces, almost everyone faces, how to sign into Power BI so as to be able to share or publish your reports. It's something that gives almost everyone headache. And trust me, there are tons of videos on YouTube that explains various ways to go about it. And I've tried a whole number of them, just like I'm sure that you might have also tried a lot of them as well and had no headway with it. So I decided to just put this video out there for it might just help somebody, probably you. So this video is just to teach you briefly how to create an email, a Microsoft email with which you can sign in to powerbi.com. All right, now, so the conventional way you hear people tell you is, they will tell you to go up here and then you create an account from this website like this, product for free. Okay, sign up for free. And then this process that you get to see on most YouTube channels, YouTube videos, is quite challenging. It has a limitation. Some of those videos, the interface from when they recorded the video to now has changed. So many things are not like it used to be before. And so you'll be asked to provide your email address, your personal email address now. All right, so it says I already have an account, recover anyway, blah blah blah. Now if I go ahead using this email address, I won't use it because I already have an account. It will take me to where I begin to feel like if 3-page form, my details, and then at the end my card detail. And then there's just a whole lot. You might have tried it, you can try by yourself, it will just not work. So now I'm going to teach you the right way, stressless, no headaches, to go about this. So instead of going through Microsoft.com, this is a website we'll be using. It's still Microsoft, but a different URL. Now I'm going to post I will be adding this URL to the description of this video. So just click on the description, check the URL or the link, and just follow along. All right, now, so this is Microsoft Intune. I'm sure you might never have had anything close to this, most likely, and you might have as well. So we are going to do the free version. Remember, you are not paying money, you're not paying a dime for it. You just need the email address, and that is all. So now you enter your personal email. Now let me close out all this that I've used. So you enter your personal email. To ask you for this to solve the puzzle, you just solve it, or else they won't allow you to go through. All right, submit. Now set up account. Let's get you created. Looks like you need a new account. It looks like you need to create a new account. Let's get it started. Continue account, and then this is the point whereby you add all your information. All right, so I just entered a random name, a random phone number, and I believe in 2 to 4 people, because if you tell them you have a big company, what if they reject? It's not likely though, but just to be sure that they don't reject your application, since you are registering for free, do you have a website? If you have, you can click yes and you'll be asked to enter the website. And if it is no, select your country or region. For me, I'm in Nigeria. Just leave these two the way it is. The first one is always checked by default, and the second is unchecked. So I'm going to click on next, and it takes to the next page now. All right, so it's going to give you this domain name. This is what you're going to use as your email address. You can decide to, edit it, something that you will remember and you must never forget. Online. I could just call this online. Okay. OV. Let me just leave it this way, and then you enter a password. All right, then you click on next. Creating account. Please do not refresh the page. So you just hold on for a while, and in less than 30 seconds, we should scroll to the next stage. All right, now, so loaded. I'm here. Confirmation details. Now, at this point, you have to copy your email address because you forget it, would have to go over it again, and start using Microsoft Intune Suite trial. I click on that, and it takes me again to admin page, admin portal, wizard setup, blah blah blah. So currently, this is a different account. So for you, you would see a blank page like this, and then you would have to sign in. So let me try to sign in into a different one, into a new account now. Okay, so use another account, paste that account that you just created and copied now, and then click on next. Sign in, and it signs you into your new account. Can you see now? That was the name I used. And now, is this everything you need to do? No, this is not everything. Once you sign in here on the admin dashboard, let's scroll down to see basic setup completion tasks. Not started. Okay, add users is not compulsory. So now that you've done that, the next thing you need to do now is go over to your Power BI. Go back to your Power BI, or rather, no, before you go back to your Power BI desktop, we will go over now to Power BI online. So just type app.powerbi.com. So it's all right. This is the account already. Oh, it's already signed in itself, so it's perfect already now. We're already signing. Interestingly, Miriam Melton. So now let's go to our Power BI. So currently I'm signed in with a different user. Actually, I created so many emails just for the purpose of tutorials. So I'm going to try to sign in with a different account now. And I'm going to paste our newly copied and created account email here. So now the good thing is we now have Microsoft email for free, and we are going to sign in to Power BI using that same email. And once we do that successfully, very smooth, we can now go ahead and publish report. So you can click yes or no, anyone you want. So in probably some seconds now, it would sign me in. All right, so it takes me back to the browser and brings me here. I click on next for verification of identity of account ownership. I solve the puzzle, just one puzzle. Verification complete. You've proven you are a human. Let's get you started. You are signing as okay. Select continue. So you have to still fill those information again. Select your country. For me, I'm in Nigeria, West Africa. So I'll select Nigeria. I'll select job title. I mean, if I tell them I'm a professional data analyst, they might wonder why you can't pay for the product. So I just prefer to say I'm so just type in any 10 digits. All right, and just get started. I was saying if I don't use intern as my job title, if I tell them I'm a this or that, they might wonder why I'm not paying for their services. So to avoid being denied, because I've tried applying, I've done online stuff like that whereby you want to just get something for free and then you'll be rejected. So you have to be careful with the kind of words you use when creating trying to get free services like this now. Okay, so it's created already, I believe. Let me just hold on to see what it takes me to next. Aha! It has logged us into app.power BI, which was what I was trying to do initially here. So let me close all this. Now you can see this is your online, Power BI online. We don't have anything published here. You can spend time understanding the user interface and all of that. So now what I'm going to do right now is let me see this. Can you see account manager for Marian Melton? That's the account we just created. All right now. So now let's go back to our Power BI desktop here. All right, so this is the report. Let's assume that this is the report I want to publish now. All I just need to do is click on publish. I click on publish and I click on my workspace because that's what we saw. We saw my workspace here already. This is my workspace, which is where we are currently. So I'm publishing it there. I'll click on select and it's publishing. It might take, a minute, so you just have to wait patiently. Success. Got it. As simple as that. So when I go over to this place now, let me try to reload the page. All right, now you can see the time is currently 8:21, and that is exactly what I just published now. So it's there to share. This is the semantic model and this is the report itself. So to share, I'll just click on share, click on the share here. Maybe let me look at try for free. Got it. Try for free. I'll just keep on. Oh man, what is this? How did I get here? Okay, let me do that again. I click on share and I click on copy link. That is it. Or you can probably send it to mail or send it to Teams or enter an email address to give the person access. Something like that. So I just click on copy link and this is it here. I copy it and I paste it to whoever I want to paste it. So you can see that in 15 minutes I've explained how you can just create a free Microsoft email account and sign in, log into your Power BI and also publish. You can just try it out. Don't forget, like this video, drop a comment, let me know what you think, and then let me know if there's any other